Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the account and device. This is where most fixes happen. Sign out of the App Store and then go to Settings to change your Apple ID region. This forces location checks to refresh. Once done, make sure your payment method matches the target country or choose none for free apps. Billing mismatches block the switch. Back up your device in case you need to restore. These first actions remove the common roadblocks, and now you're ready for the more detailed steps. Now you execute the region switch. In Settings, tap your Apple ID, then Media and Purchases and View Account. Choose Change Country or Region and accept the new terms. This is required. Enter a valid billing address, postal code, and phone number for the region. Those fields validate immediately. After saving, restart the device to clear caches, then sign back into the App Store. Doing this forces the store to present local content. If you encounter an error, note the exact message before continuing. Finish by verifying purchases. Download apps and update existing ones to confirm access. Check subscriptions. Some renewals remain tied to the old region and may need cancellation or resubscription. If the store still blocks you, buy a local App Store gift card and redeem it, because using region-specific billing often resolves payment validation issues. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear DNS or proxy remnants, then repeat sign-in. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most lingering location cache problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.